べとレディオチャンネル
Today, we're going to show you how to make Mentsuyu, Japanese noodle soup base mainly used for dipping noodles like cold soba and udon. Here are the ingredients. Soy sauce, sweet sake, kelp stock, and dried shiitake mushroom stock. First, pour soy sauce and sweet sake in a small pot and bring to a boil. If you like it sweet, add agave syrup or date syrup to taste. Keep the heat on medium-high and boil it down for about 1 minute. Concentrated soup called kaeshi is done. Now, prepare kelp stock and shiitake stock to make a dipping sauce. This is how you make kelp stock and shiitake stock. Just soak them in water for 1 night and it's ready. Mix kelp stock and shiitake stock at a ratio of 7:3. Pour a preferred amount of stock into the concentrated soup to taste. And it's all done. Your homemade Mentsuyu is ready. This video is presented to you by Satomi Tsujiai, Mayumi Takahashi, and Akari Fusegi. If you like this video, give us a like and please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.